Hi there, my name is Seth and I'm a product specialist here at Mobile Patient Lift. Today I'm going to walk you through assembling the Argo Toilet Lift, a powered transfer solution designed to help users safely lower and rise from the toilet with the press of a button. With supportive handles, powered lifting, and optional mobility wheels, it's perfect for home or care environments where comfort, safety, and independence matter. Let's get started. You're going to begin by attaching the right handle, which includes the control button. Then you're going to line the plug with the socket at the base of the lift and secure it by twisting the connector until it clicks into place. Next, you're going to fit the handle on the corresponding post located at the base. Repeat this step with the left handle. Now make sure that the screw holes on the handles align with the corresponding holes on the base for proper attachment. Using the Allen wrench and screws, secure the handles to the lift's base. Next, what you're going to do is flip the unit carefully on its side and screw in the adjustable legs. If your model includes optional mobility wheels, you can attach those instead of the adjusting legs. The mobility wheels allow you to use this lift in multiple bathrooms or locations, and it is recommended for medical facilities. The battery should arrive with some charge. However, we recommend fully charging it before your first use. There are two methods of charging for this lift. You can raise the lift halfway, pull on the silver handle to remove the battery from the lift, and plug the battery into the charger and power supply. Or if the battery is low and cannot raise the lift enough to remove it, you can plug the charger directly into the rear of the lift. The great thing about being able to plug the charger directly on the unit is that you can leave it there powering the lift, and in case of a power outage, you can rely on the battery as a backup. This is an extra feature that I think is really neat. And that's it, your Argo Toilet Lift is fully assembled and ready for installation. Now, for more help with using or maintaining your lift, visit mobilepatientlift.com or give us a call. We're here to help support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching.